I'm a foodie, so it gets a little frustrating that I need my waffles. Why can't I eat waffles? Beta thoda sa kha lo, and say I can't eat that. Sorry, because I'm a vegan. We also had a bit of microwave problem. Person who enjoys cooking, so that when they try it, it comes out to be good. You don't want your life to be so hard. You want to find your food in a nearby restaurant. Right here, I'm being a part of a revolution. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I know that I have not been active, but it feels so good to be back. Okay, so first of all, this video is sponsored by Vegan Strings Attached. They are a group of amazing, compassionate people who want to help people that promote veganism. So if you are a vegan activist and are looking for some kind of financial support for your activism, then please do contact them. I'm gonna put their email somewhere on the screen. So how have you guys been? Did you enjoy the winter season? I know many of you all must be back to work because we have got back our life slowly and gradually. We are getting back our old life. Okay, so I have been inactive for various silly reasons, but I promise you that from now onwards I'm gonna be active on YouTube and also on Instagram. And guys, please, if you are not following me on Instagram, then please do, because all this while I was really busy making a lot of reels and videos and posts for you all on Instagram, trying to work with brands and promote the cruelty-free products as much as possible. So coming back to today's video, life as a vegan. Well, I have been vegan for more than a year now, and my life as a vegan has been great, except that I miss having coffee, ice cream, pancakes and waffles, but you know, there are always vegan alternatives for these things. So my life has been great, and more than great, I think it has been satisfying, because you know that you are not putting any animal in danger or in harm just because of your own eating choices. So you guys know why I miss having pancakes and waffles is because I live in a city where there are no vegan restaurants or vegan options, and I'm a foodie, so it gets a little frustrating that I need my waffles. Why can't I eat waffles? But as they say, you can always make your own vegan food. The bad news here is that both my mom and I are not very fond of cooking. We don't like cooking, but we still try to make a lot of vegan meals. But when it comes to pancakes and waffles, you know, these are tricky things, and we need a proper chef for that. Or we need a person who enjoys cooking, so that when they try it, it comes out to be good. Though I despise cooking, but I still try to cook a little bit and film it and show it to you guys, upload it on YouTube, so that, you know, you guys are inspired to try out a vegan lifestyle. Remember when I made the vegan dalgona coffee for you all, I also tried to make a vegan cake, a vegan chocolate cake. I also filmed it, it's still there, but the cake didn't turn out to be so good. That's why I didn't post it. I mean, I followed each and every step properly. I also did all the mixing, but it didn't turn out to be so good. That's why I didn't post it. We also had a bit of microwave problem, but anywho, I did not like the taste of it, so I did not post it. So are you getting my point? If you can cook or you enjoy cooking, you can easily be a vegan and live a vegan lifestyle. Because at the end of the day, it's about the meal that you're eating, right? It is not about whether you can find a vegan restaurant or a vegan option or not. It is not about that. I am that person who will always choose spicy over sweet. So all of my spicy foods are vegan. My mom makes it vegan. But when it comes to sweetness, all of the sweet things like Indian sweets, ice cream, waffles, like I said, all of them have milk in it. So when everybody is having sweets, कोई आएगा बोलेगा बेटा थोड़ा सा खा लो, and say I can't eat that, sorry, because I'm a vegan. And then they are like, vegan में क्या होता है, vegan के बारे में बताओ, vegan क्या है. And when I tell them, they refuse to follow the diet. So you know, it just puts you off, you know, it just puts me off. Everybody was eating sweets and cake, and I felt left out. But my mom was really sweet. She made me gajar ka halwa using vegan ghee. So I got to eat something sweet too. So when I explained to them about veganism and what they can and cannot eat, they are like, नहीं, ये नहीं हो पाएगा, नहीं. They don't even think for a second about the animal exploitation. They're like, I can't give this up. So, you know, that kind of conversation where people refuse to believe in certain things and it pisses you off because you can't do anything about it, because there are people who are gonna come into your house every now and then and you can't just say anything that's in your heart. So I try to have at least one vegan conversation with the people that I'm close with and the people that I see mostly, because after that one conversation, if they show any interest, then I talk further about veganism with them. But if they're not showing any interest or they are putting me off, then I just stop the conversation then and there and move on, because those people are not gonna listen or understand, and it will spoil my mood as well as theirs. So it is better not to talk to them about it, because they are close people. You don't want them leaving your life. So if they're not showing any interest, then let it be, because it's so frustrating, because you don't want to judge them but you're still judging them, and you're not liking it, but you can't help it, because that is something when you turn a vegan, this happens, and you just don't want to spoil that relationship. So it's better to avoid that conversation. If you are someone like me who can't cook their own food but you still want to be vegan, also you don't want your life to be so hard, you want to find your food in a nearby restaurant, in that case what you can do is that you can try and avoid having that meal as much as you can, and you can request somebody to cook a vegan meal for you. It's not the most easiest lifestyle, but you can still live it if you have that willpower. You need to have a strong willpower. You need to know what you're doing and why you are doing it. That is why many people ask me to force people to follow a vegan diet or follow a vegan lifestyle. The reason why I don't do that is because people need their own time. You just have to show some interest. If they show interest in something, there are chances that slowly and steadily they're going to adopt that lifestyle. You can't make other people's decisions. You have to let them make their own decisions, because then and only then they're gonna do what they do. They'll say, I am here. I can show you all the facts about veganism. I can show you the benefits, how it's good and why it's good for the health, environment, and blah blah blah. But the point is, are you even interested? The people who want to do something, they're going to look for ways, they're going to look for reasons to do that thing. But the people who do not want to do it, who are just so restricted, you just can't bend them. It is very difficult, and you just don't want to waste your time and energy in that. So if you are a vegan, try and inspire people to live a healthy, ethical, and a happy life. It is very important to live a happy life. Yes, I miss having a lot of things. I miss having all the sweet things that I mentioned earlier. So what? No lifestyle is easy. But the most important thing is that I, right here, am being a part of a revolution. Veganism is and should be the future, because we can't just keep on exploiting other beings as if we own them, because we do not. And I'm not perfect. I don't think anybody is. So stop being so hard on yourself. Just do what you think is right. Just don't forget to think about those cute, innocent creatures who are being exploited even at this very second while you're watching this video. So I hope you enjoyed watching this vegan video after a really long time. Subscribe to my channel, because I am going to be active on YouTube. Also, like I said earlier, please follow me on Instagram, because I am doing a lot of mehnat there. And about the giveaway, I had to host it in January, but now we are late and it's February. I'm gonna post it on Instagram really soon, so make sure you're following me there. And have a great day, have a good day. If you have any questions for me, just put them in the comment section or DM me on Instagram. I will be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you, thanks for watching. Bye bye.